Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to this guide on buying tokens using Uniswap. It's a leading decentralized exchange where you can easily swap many different cryptocurrencies. To begin, you'll need a crypto wallet like MetaMask, which acts as your secure gateway. Most importantly, make sure your wallet holds enough Ethereum, as this is essential for paying the network's transaction fees. Let's get started. Once you're on the Uniswap web application, locate and click the Connect Wallet button. You'll see a list of popular wallets. Simply choose yours or use Wallet Connect for other options. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to trade from and the one you wish to receive. Input the amount, and then carefully review and confirm the transaction within your connected wallet. It's a straightforward process. When trading on Uniswap, you'll encounter two main types of costs. First, there are gas fees paid in Ethereum which compensate the network for processing your transaction. Second, Uniswap itself charges a small swap fee, usually around 0.3%, which goes to liquidity providers. You'll also see slippage tolerance, which is the maximum percentage your trade's price can move before it fails. The default is often 0.5%. Before finalizing any swap, always take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details, including the estimated fees and the amount of tokens you expect to receive. Be mindful of price impact, which can occur with larger trades. To stay safe, always double-check the token's contract address to ensure it's legitimate. For potentially lower transaction costs, explore using Uniswap on various Layer 2 networks. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.